clips in Adobe Premiere. First, open up Adobe Premiere. Alright, your project. Okay. Now let's say you have 3 clips right here. Control V to select multiple clips at once. Import. Alright, let's say you want to cut this. There are 2 ways to cut this. Actually, one way you can double click on this. Alright, let's say you want to cut from here. Let's say you want to cut from here, right? Since this is the beginning of the clip, right? You want this to be the beginning of the clip. So you press from this point, you press the I letter on the keyboard, I, right? And then you select the end point of your video. For example, you want this one, for example, you press on O letter, like the O letter on your keyboard, right? I mean input, output or something. Now you can drag the picture to your timeline window to start editing. Alright, this may take actually a long time. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now the video does not start from here, but actually it starts from here. Right? You see? Okay. Now let's say. Alright, let me show you another way to do it. Alright, let me try another video clip. Let's say here. Now let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. Okay. Now let's say play the video, right? You want it to start from here. So you click on this tool, razor tool, right? This one right here, the one that will play live, right? You start, you click on the blue vertical line that you want your video to start from, right? Click on it. Now the video split into half, right? Now keep going. Now let's say you want this to be the end of the video, right? You click on this again. Now the video split into 3, right? Okay. Alright. Now this 3 is individual. You show you that. Alright. That's it. Yeah, now you can move this one separately. Alright. Alright. So double click if you want to use this the method that you want to view in the bigger screen, right? You double click on the video, and then from the beginning of the video, you want it to be the beginning of the video, you click on I, and then the end of the video you click on O, right? And if you want to cut the video in this window, you can do it by the razor tool, which you find here. One thing to notice is you cannot cut empty space. You have to cut something, right? Okay. Now, how, like, let's say you have like a ton of clip over here, right? 1 second. No, I'm sorry. Okay. Now, let's say you have a ton of clip and it's pretty small, right? It's very small. You have, like, for example, we have 10 clips and each has different properties, right? So if you want to add effects to each, you can do it, right? For example, you can add effect to this specific one. For example, blur, for example, right? So camera blur. Let's say I want to add camera blur, right? I can only add in one specific one. Yeah. So if you want to apply a specific effects to your specific part in your video, on your in your video, you can do that by cutting it into pieces, right? Now let's say you want to apply the entire effect for your entire video and you have like 20 pieces, so it's gonna take a pretty long time. So how can you like kind of combine all of your clip into one single property? Okay. And from you, alright, make sure you click on this arrow tool, right? And then you start from empty space, like someone here, and then you drag this into the end, until like empty space from like just pretending you're making a rectangle, alright? So you click from the empty space on top of the clip that you want to start, and then end. Let's say you want to end it here, you can end it here. If when you say end is here, so then the start, the top of the box that you want to start, the end, the bottom of the box that you want to stop, right? Now right click and then next. Okay, now let's say tutorial, for example. Okay, now you have one single clip setups. Alright, now let's say you want to apply fast blur. For example, you can apply to the entire clip instead of like 20 times, right? Alright, we cool? Okay guys, thank you.